Hello guys, and welcome back. In our previous tutorial, we had a look at the global settings of the Formidable Pro plugin. So for today's lesson, we are going to dive in much deeper to have a look at form management. Let's quickly get started. Okay, so what we want to do now is to open a new dashboard. So this is our main page, this is our dashboard. Alright, so remember this is our Formidable Pro form. Let's quickly go to the form. Okay, so this is the main interface of the Formidable Pro form. Now over here, what you see here, it's the number of forms that we have currently in the system, and the trash over here tells you about the forms that has been trashed, that has been deleted. So if you want to delete a particular form, you come to the trash and you delete it. So here we have the bulk action drop down, or the bulk action option. What here it's all about is, after you select a particular form and you would like to perform a bulk action on it, you just click here and you select what you want to do. If you want to move it to trash, then it means that it will definitely come to this trash here. But hey, after deleting to the trash, it doesn't mean your form is lost totally. You can equally go back to the trash and restore the form back into your system and continue doing whatever you have to do. Here is the search bar of the Formidable Pro form. In later sections, you will be designing different forms. So you have many forms all lined up over here. Sometimes the forms will be so many that it might be a little bit confusing. So the best thing to do is to search for that form and locate it quickly. Here, these are the listing display of the form. So currently it's being set up to display in a list format. But then we have another option over here. When you click on that, you realize that there will be some few differences in displaying the form. And over here, it goes ahead display more detail about this particular form over here for you, giving you the key of the particular form. And also, if you can realize, when you have the list over here, realize that only the date appears over here. But when you go to the accept option, you realize that the time also comes all together with this particular form. So this display section here, it's about showing more detail about the form. Okay, alright, so now let's quickly come back to the form itself. Now when you move to the form itself, you have the edit. Edit is all about going in there and try to modify your form, try to do other things, or put in more things, or remove some of the things from the form. The settings is there for you to set up your form, to decide what the form does after submission or what it does during entry. Over here we have the duplicate form. The duplicate form is just a way of duplicating a particular form. Sometimes it's a bit hectic to start redesigning a new form. So there might be a need for you to duplicate your form to continue building the form on the same structure of another form. So this is the trash, as I said earlier on. The preview here is a way to show you how the form is going to look on a particular page after designing or after publishing the form. So let's quickly have a look at how this form is going to look over here. Okay, so this is how it looks. So guys, I want us to go to the edit and quickly show up some few things over here. Okay, so we are in the edit. Remember I told you it's just a way of either adding more or removing some of the few things. So initially, these are the number of fields that we have: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so we want to add a checkbox to this list. Okay, so this is the option 1 and option 2. The only thing we have to do is just to update the form. Okay, so after updating the form, let's go here and republish this form. So you can realize we have the option 1 and option 2 over here. How easy it is to actually build a form. So quickly, let's get back to line. Okay, now what we want to do for today is to actually auto-populate a particular form. Now auto-populating simply means we want a particular form to take a particular entry or to pick records from a particular page and send it to another page on another form. So let's say, for instance, if you have all these details over here, we want the instance where after entering something over here and entering another one here, and we click on the submit button, we should be directed to another page that contains some few records over here onto that same page. So that is what we call passing of parameters. Okay, so technically we want to pass parameter from page A to page B. Alright, so quickly let's get started. So to do that, guys, I think these are the things that we are going to need. We will need, so far as we are moving from one page to another page, then definitely we are going to need about 2 pages, right? Okay, so we want to start building 2 pages right now. So to build a page or to actually create a new page, this is where we come. This is a WordPress task. So we create the page, but before creating that page, I would like us to install another one plugin that helps us to create the form in a much quicker way. So the plugin we are going to install is the WP Bakery. Quickly, let's move to plugin, and this time around we don't want to search for the plugin. I have the plugin installed already, and I will include it in the files of the tutorial. So quickly, we want to upload a new plugin. So let's click on this and come to choose a file. So we want to choose a file from here, and the plugin we want to install is GS Composer. That was the previous name of the plugin, but now the name of the plugin is WP Bakery Page Builder. So let's quickly click on this and let's try to install this. Let's wait for a while. Okay guys, we have an error message that says the uploaded file exceeds the upload max file directive in PHP. Okay, sorry, in php.ini. Okay, I think this is a maximum upload limit. Okay, maximum upload limit, and I think it's pointing us to the direction of the php.ini. Quickly guys, let's move to, or maybe for the purpose of anything, let's quickly try again and see what's going on. Okay, now it looks as if we still have the same problem. Quickly guys, let's go to the WAMP server. Okay, so this is our WAMP server and we should be in php.ini. Let's open it up. Okay, so let's look for maximum upload limit. Maximum upload limit. I think we have a lot of things here. So quickly guys, let's try and see if you can say max and find. We have a lot, so let's quickly find it. Okay, here we have maximum execution time, maximum time, maximum limit. Okay, maximum. Guys, I wish you're here with me to look for this information. Okay, maximum. Wow guys, okay, yeah, maximum upload, maximum file size. This is 2 megabytes, and it's the size of what we were trying to upload. Let's have a look at it quickly. Here. Okay, we are trying to upload something more than 2 megabytes, so we want to change this to 128 megabytes. Okay, let's say 128 MB. Let's quickly save this. So after saving guys, what you have to do is we need to restart the server, and you know how to do that already. So let's restart. Let's start back. Alright, so let's quickly close this, and now let's try our luck to see if we will be lucky. So let's quickly go back to our Formidable Pro. Let's go back. Let's reload this page. So let's upload this plugin. Okay, cool. Right, so now let's select this. Let's install it. Okay, I think now we are in. The package is actually installing. So what you have to do is just to wait for the package to finish installing. Okay guys, now that we have our plugin installed, you can now go ahead and activate it. Guys, this warning that you see over here, it's nothing. It's just about the internet connection that was off for a while. Okay, so you might not have this if you have your internet connection on. So let's quickly activate this plugin. Okay, so the plugin has been activated. Let's have a look at some few settings of the plugin by going to the plugin's global settings quickly. Okay, so here I think we want to disable Guantanamo. Let's save the settings. Let's quickly go to row manager and try and see page custom this. Let's go to posts and let's do this. Okay guys, what I'm trying to do over here is to set the WP bakery page builder to begin designing from the post level, the page level, and on any Formidable Pro form display. Let's quickly save this. Okay, then I think we are good to go. Okay guys, I think the time is all up against us, so let's quickly stop it here and continue in the next video. Thanks.